Hey guys, welcome back. This is Cricket with another plan with me. This one is in my Hobonichi, and this is for the week of April 22nd through the 28th. And I'm using this cute, adorable full kit from My Planning Addiction. And there is your, there is their store. And I use Leanne actually as my PR girl. So all that information will be down in the description below for you, okay? But this kit, I actually hauled it, but I haven't gotten it up yet, so I'll probably have this video or this playing with me up before I have that. But it is so full. It has all the days. It has the 2 strips to separate, excuse me, habit trackers, 3 checklists, check boxes this week for the top. Your bottom washi even has weather. So, I mean, you got everything in here. Bills, must do, goals, errands, to buy, and the weekend banner. So she has everything in this kit. And then I'm just using this, I got this for free from Plan to Be Fab and /Dek Designs. When you order from them, they give you a free clip. And I thought that that clip worked out perfectly with that. So, this is in my wellness planner. That's what I'm using this for. And I just put some stickers on here. This is You Got This Girl, because I needed a little bit of You Got This Girl for me. But I haven't actually finished filling this out. It hasn't finished yet. So I will finish this before I put this other one up. But as of right now, I cannot, because the days aren't here yet. So I got a sticker on my desk. Let me move that. Okay, so let's get started. Like I said, this is for my wellness planner. And I'm thinking I want to go ahead and put the bottom washi down first. Just in case. I'm not sure exactly how far the days of the weeks go down. I think that this is one long strip. Yes, it's one long strip. So I'll go ahead and put the bottom washi down. It might have been a mistake, but hindsight's 20/20, I guess. But yeah, I saw this kit and I just had to have it. It is so adorable. And it's so bright and cheerful. And I felt like that's what I needed for my wellness planner. You know, sometimes you just got to look at cheerful and bright. You can't, let me get this out of the way. To make you happy, you know what I mean? I'm going to put this week down because I think that's what this one's for. I'm not sure if it's an all the way across one or not, so let me flip this around. Let me see. I think it goes just from that I've learned to make sure that your page is flat before you put your stickers down, because if you don't, then it kind of bows up the page if you put your stickers down too tight. So I'm learning as I go, so hopefully some of the tips that I'm learning I can pass on to y'all. So let's put this one down. I love the colors, like I said, of this kit. It's just so pretty. They're bright, but they're not like overpowering bright. Like my plan with me with in my Erin Condren. Now that's some pretty bright stuff. I mean, it's pretty bright. So let's see. Let's go ahead and get the days down. And I always put it on my skin, and I know it's redundant for those that have watched my Playing With Me's before, but just in case somebody has not, I always put my stickers down, especially for my hobo, because on my skin, because that way if I mess up, I have a better chance of being able to pull it up. So, and I used some date dots from a kit that I didn't use those date dots from, so don't throw your date dots away, people. Seriously, don't, because they're awesome. Just saying. And I think I'm going to use, there's 2 of these. Yeah, there's 2 of these, so I think I'm going to use that for to separate my weather. That wasn't perfect. Look at that. I love, love, love that. That's awesome. I also am going to incorporate, I know that she has 3 check things, and that's usually what I use my breakfast, lunch, and dinner for. But I ordered these from the Craft Penguin Planner, and it's exactly what it says, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and I think that's awesome. That's what I need. So I'm going to go ahead and use these on here, and then finish this out, I believe is what I'm going to do. And then I also got, let's see, I also have these separator lines that I think I'm going to use as well. So, and I got these kind of match that, so I'm going to find the right color of this to go with that, and then I think everything will work out perfect. So, let me look at the colors. Yeah, I think all of these colors will go with that pretty perfect. So, let me go ahead and do that first. And I got these from Cheerful Planner Girl, and I do have a code for her. So it is Cricket 25. But all my information and my codes to all the companies that I PR for are in my link tree down below. So make sure you check that out so you don't miss out on a chance to get some goodies. I love this kit. It has everything in it. I just think it's so cute. And the little bows too. I mean, perfect. Let me get my little tweezers here for just a second. Her stickers come up pretty easy too, guys. So that's nice. That's nice to have that. There is some purple in there, so I am going to use purple. See, I'm using this as my wellness planner. I'm pretty sure I'm going to keep it as my wellness planner, but I'm kind of questioning it a little bit. I don't know if I need more room. I don't know. Just because I know I need to start incorporating some workout in there. I'm just trying to talk myself into doing it. How sad is that? Is that not sad? That I'm trying to talk myself into working out. That's sad. But anyway, let's see, what colors look prettiest? The pink goes, that light blue kind of goes. I don't know if I want to put the blue against the blue, so I might use the yellow. And put it right there. Definitely need the tweezers for this one. My fingers are way too big. I think I'm just going to use all the same ones. I don't think I'm going to... I could do... Let's do yellow and pink. And it's okay that they're covering over the top of the other one. That doesn't bother me at all. As long as I have room to write, I am good to go. I'll continue to put these down. So I'm getting a little discouraged. I'm going to be just completely open with you. A little discouraged with this diet I'm doing. I'm not losing weight like I'm seeing everybody else lose weight in the other support groups that I'm in. So I don't know exactly what I'm doing wrong. But it's frustrating because I'm sitting here not cheating at all and the weight's not coming off. So I don't know. I might be giving this one more week, and then if it doesn't work, it's just I spent a lot of money on like the stuff, like the food that you would have to have for it. like, I'm doing keto, or, you know, lazy keto, or whatever you want to call it, but it's a little frustrating when you're not losing. It kind of hurts a little bit. I'm going to use these boxes right here for my weather, and I'm hoping that they're going to fit. Oh, came down too far. Okay. And these boxes are from Cheerful Planner Girl as well. She has like matching boxes. See, that's what happens when I don't put it on the thing right. I'm going to use the top line. There we go. Is that good or no? It's going to have to be, I guess. Am I doing this? Let me figure this out real quick, guys. Sorry. My head's probably all in the camera. If it is, I apologize. I'm using a new kit, and sometimes you just have to play around until you just get it right. There we go. I think I'm getting it now. Kind of looks like it's going downhill. There we go. That's how I'm gonna have to do it, I guess. These match perfect. You would think that they made the kits together, actually, but they didn't. Yeah, I mean, I don't want y'all to think that I'm like this quitter that and a baby and I'm pouting because I'm not losing. I just, you know, when you give it your all and you know in your heart that you're not cheating and you haven't done anything wrong, I mean, does that not like just absolutely, I don't want to say kill you, but does it not bother you? I mean, give me some info down at the bottom below what you think. Seriously. Right now, I need my friends right now. Okay, so got that done. I love, love, love this tracker. It's 3 trackers, and that pretty much is what I need. And it fits perfectly over here with just a little bit of space in between. That's, oh, I love that. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Okay, so there's the trackers that I need. I'll try to put it over as far as I can, just because I need as much room as I can to write. So that's cute, like that. Okay. Let's see, what else do I do? So I'll know. So here is my mood trackers, and these are from Stardust Stickers. I think I'm gonna have to use the green one. I think I'm going to put it right here. Okay. Then I have medication and I have a goal. So medication can go let's see, the goal, let's see which one I want to use for goal real quick. I'm going to put the goal right here. Medication right here. And the medication's from the Crafty Student, and the goal is from Plan to be Fab / Dek Designs. Then let's see, I want to do some of these. Let's do to buy. That's going to be for my groceries. I'm going to put oh, come on. See, I did it again. Forgot. Actually, I kind of like this color, so maybe that was what was meant to be. And I'm going to put to buy right here at the top of that. That'll be like for my groceries or whatever. And then let's see. And then put the goals over top. Perfect. And then I can do errands right there, and then maybe use well, three check right there. There. That works out great. I think that looks good, guys. What do you think? And then I can put my little tab or my little flag right here, and I am good to go. That's it, guys. That is my plan with me. I hope that y'all like this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Go check out My Planning Addiction, Cheerful Planner Girl, Crafty Student, Stardust Stickers, Dek Designs, Craft Penguin Planner. Y'all, they're awesome people in the Cheerful Planner Girl. And like I said, I do have a code for her. So definitely go check them out. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up and make some comments down below. I would love to hear from y'all. All right, I hope to see you back here real soon. Talk with you later. Bye-bye.